Utah Phillips song for you here. It's kind of appropriate. Well, Daddy, what's a train? Is it something I could ride? Does it carry lots of grown-up folks and little kids inside? Is it bigger than our house? Well, how can I explain when my little boy asks me, Daddy, what's a train? When I was just a boy, living by the tracks, us kids would gather up the coal in a great big gunny sack. We'd hear the warning sounds as the train pulled into view. The engineer would smile and wave as she went rolling through. She blew so loud and clear, we had to cover up our ears. We counted cars just as high as we could go. I can almost hear the steam and the big old driver scream with the sound that our little boy will never know. Well, I guess the times have changed. Things are different now. Most kids don't even seem to know that milk comes from a cow. My little boy can tell the names of all the baseball stars. I remember how we'd memorize the names on railroad cars. The Wabash and the TP, the Lackawanna and the IC, oh, the nickel plate, good old Santa Fe. They're just names out of the past, I guess they're fading fast every time I hear my little boy say, oh, Daddy, what's a train? Is it something I can ride? Does it carry lots of grown-up folks and little kids inside? Is it bigger than our house? Well, how can I explain when my little boy asks me, Daddy, what's a train? We climbed into the car, headed into town, right up to the depot house, but no one was around. We searched the yard together for something I could show. I knew there hadn't been a train for a dozen years or more. All the things I did when I was just a kid, oh, how distant those memories appear. But I guess it's clear to see that they still mean a lot to me, 'cause my ambition was to be an engineer. So, Daddy, what's a train? Is it something I can ride? Does it carry lots of grown-up folks and little kids inside? Is it bigger than our house? Well, how can I explain when my little boy asks me, Daddy, what's a train? Said, Daddy, what's a train? Is it something I can ride? Does it carry lots of grown-up folks and little kids inside? Is it bigger than our house? Well, how can I explain when my little boy asks me, Daddy, what's a train? When my little boy asks me, Daddy, what's a train? Question my son will never have to ask.